At a traditional livestock facility, animals arrive from farms under careful supervision. The animals are guided into a controlled, modern processing facility using advanced systems.
A thorough automated cleaning process ensures hygiene and quality standards. Materials are separated and directed into specialized processing lines.
Precision cutting and packaging maintain consistency and safety.
Hides undergo cleaning, steaming, and refinement for further use. Craftsmanship transforms raw materials into premium luxury products.
Even byproducts are refined into unique, polished accessories.
Crafted with precision and premium materials, the final product reflects elegance, durability, and modern luxury. Refined with care, these accessories combine natural materials with expert craftsmanship.